Hi everybody, this is Dan from Excel Sports Coaching, here to do the gymnastics element, which we're going to be covering shapes and different kinds of jumps. Nice and basic. Today I've got the help of my daughter today. This is Poppy. Say hi, Poppy.
Hi everybody.
Okay, we're going to get started with our basic shapes. So you can play this game with everybody in the family as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with our simple tuck shape. So show me your tuck shape. We get down, and knees are right in. Hands here, you can hug them. You can have your hands here as well. Ideally, try and get your knees together as close as possible. Pointy toes, heels off the floor if we can. So that's position one. Position two, ready? We're going to go into our pike. So our pike, legs are together, nice pointy toes. If you can see those, you can see those now. Nice pointy toes. Hands, nice and parallel. And I say to my students, not zombie hands. I'm not checking my nails, just so I can hold a plate on top. So that's my pike position. Nice straight back as well. Next position we're going to go into is a straddle. This is our straddle shape, and these are our first three moves. Okay, so from here we can put our hands here, or hands level with our feet as well. Again, pointy toes, not facing towards you, pointing out away from you. And again, nice straight back. Now what I normally do from here is I normally start off with a bit of a game with these three moves. So I'll call the moves out, you get to that position. You ready? Tuck, pike, oh, straddle. Pike. Oh, got you out. Straight legs. Good. Tuck. Very good. Okay, you can carry that on. Then we go into our next move, which is our front support. So when we do our front support, from here, two hands down, into this position. Make sure our hands are underneath our shoulders. Okay, and all we're going to do from there, keeping a nice straight back, we're going to push straight out, so we're in this position here. Excellent. So if you look at Poppy, look, Poppy's in that front support position. Here's nice straight back, all the way down, we hold that position, that's our front support. The next shape we're going to get into is our back support, so we're going to go on our back, hands in the same direction of our feet. Up, let's up, Poppy. Okay, we're going to push our hips up as high as we can with our chin on our chest. So you're going to push right up, look. Excellent. Okay, and that's the back support. Yeah, so there are our next two moves. So, are you ready? So we add them onto the game that we played before. So tuck, straddle, aha, front support, show me, very good, back support, excellent, okay. And then we're going to move on to our next two moves, which is known as the Superman or the arch. So this is where we go on our front, okay, feet off the floor, legs off the floor, and arms forward. You can have them in a Y if you want to, it's entirely up to you. And then the next position is our dish, which is on our back. Again, feet off the floor, as you can see here, feet off the floor, shoulders off the floor, hands by our side, pointy toes, not high, about a couple of inches off the floor, and hold. And again, you can have a bit of a competition here, so you can hold this shape the longest, and it will work all your core muscles as well. Okay, so there are our next shapes that I added on. And then the ones I add on after this is what we call our take-off position. Remember what that is? That's our take-off position. We have bent knees, okay, hands behind the back as if we're just about to jump. Again, straight back though, so we're not arching over. Okay, and then we have our landing position, which is the same as take-off, just our hands are at front. Okay, again, bent knees, some people refer to this as the magic chair, it's like we're going to sit down on a chair. Okay, and then the last move we're going to do is a stretch. So feet together, arms right above our head, and we do a big massive stretch up onto toes if possible, and hold. Okay, now that covers all the shape moves. And again, all you're going to do is rotate between each shape, call the shape out, see how quickly you can get in there. You can almost like do it like a musical chairs type thing, whereby the last person to get there is temporarily out, and we'll see who has the win at the end, depending on how many people are joining in. We're now going to work on to our jumps. Now you'll notice on our jumps, we incorporate the stretch element always. Now I'm going to demonstrate, okay, then you're going to copy after us. So I'll do a demonstration, I'll do it twice. I'll do it one in what I call in my slow motion, and then once in real time. So our first jump we're going to do is a stretch jump. So from here we go for our take-up position, stay there Poppy for a second. If I do it in slow motion, we swing our arms up in slow motion, right all the way up to the top. Imagine I'm off the floor right now, and then when I land as soft as I can, knees in a landing position. And when I do it in real time, it'll look like this. Stretch and down, okay? Your turn, have a go. So stretch jump, so stretch up and down. You do it. Big jump, do a jump, and down. Good. Get them to practice that for about 30 seconds before you move on to the next one. The next one we're going to do is a tuck jump. Same starting position. This is our takeoff position here. We do the stretch part of the jump, and I want you to imagine both my feet are going up in the air, touch and land. If I do it in real time, it will look like this. Stretch up, down and land. Your turn. Have a go. Tuck jump. Nice effort. Try and get those knees right up. Bend those knees up. Excellent. And again, practice that for 30 seconds before you move on. The next one is going to be our pike jump. Same thing, same starting point. Hands out here, stretch up. Instead of our knees being bent, they're going to come up straight. Go as high as it feels comfortable, guys. Don't expect to get your legs really, really high. I want to keep them nice and straight as possible. And again, safe landings. This one's usually a full one for parents to watch. So from here, look, up, touch, and down. Okay? And again, with that extra step, like I did. Off you go, have a go. Nice, try and reach those toes. Both toes up, toes, feet together, go. Good effort, okay. Now, the next one we're going to do is our straddle jump. So, just incorporating our shapes that we did. So we go up to the top. This time we put our legs outwards. Imagine both of my legs are out right at this point. I can either take them down that way, or I can take them down to the front. It's entirely up to you, whichever feels comfortable. So from here, it will look like this, up, okay, and landing, or here and down. Have a go. Good effort, keep looking forward, nice, keep going. Excellent. And one more, try one more. Good, I like it. Now the last one, a little bit easier than the straddle jump, but one definitely to practice, is our star jump. So from here, start the same position. A bit harder this one because we've got to flick our arms out and legs out wide and get them back in together before we land. So it'll look like this. Okay, so, okay, and once more, up, there. Have a go, star jump. Nice, looking that way. Loved it. One more. Good. Now, there's a few shapes and jumps for you to practice. Have a go. Enjoy. Spend about 30 seconds on each one. Hope you enjoy.